and Travel channel. In this video, we'll guide you in choosing an area in Lisbon that fits your budget and explain the area's proximity to the main attractions. I will share our own experiences to assist you in making planning your trip to Lisbon easier. This way you can save both cash and time on online research. Without further ado, let's get started.
When selecting your accommodation in Lisbon, consider your preferences, budget, and access to transportation. If you plan to explore most of Lisbon, choosing a location with easy access to public transportation will make your trip easier, as the city attractions are scattered. Let's talk about 5 main areas in Lisbon to stay. Number 1 and 2. Baixa and Chiado. I didn't set it apart because they are neighboring areas in Lisbon, and these areas are only a 5 minutes walk away. Pros: central location. Baixa and Chiado are being centrally located, serve as an excellent starting point for exploring Lisbon. Excellent transportation. These areas have outstanding transportation links to various parts of Lisbon. Flat terrain. The terrain is mostly flat, making it convenient for exploration on foot. In this video, we will only cover a few main tourist attractions within walking distance in that particular area, so it might give you an idea of where you might want to stay. The main attractions within walking distance from Baixa and Chiado are Praga do Comércio, or a trade square. It's one of the most beautiful squares in Europe. Santa Justa elevator. The old iron tower is like an elevator connecting downside to the Chiado district on a hill. It has awesome views of Lisbon. It was made for people to travel, but now mainly tourists use it. Rossio Square is where one of the prestigious theaters in Portugal is located. It's a beautiful building to look at and a nice place to take a stroll around. Cons. It has a higher price tag, marked by 4 out of 5 on the expense scale for restaurants and hotels. These areas are upscale and designed for tourists. Number 3. Alfama. Historical charm. Alfama, the oldest district in Lisbon, is renowned for its narrow streets, historic architecture, and traditional fado music. Living here provides a unique and charming atmosphere. It's important to note that this area is old, so don't expect many modern facilities. Nevertheless, we enjoyed walking in Alfama, and the hills added a unique touch to our experience. Observing how pedestrians, trams, and cars navigated through narrow alleys without issues was fascinating. Pros: you have a choice of accommodations ranging from reasonable to high-end. Scenic views. Some parts of Alfama offer breathtaking views of the city at the Tagus River. Local amenities. You'll find local markets, cafes, and restaurants offering authentic Portuguese cuisine. Alfama is close to major tourist attractions like St. George Castle and the Lisbon Cathedral. Cons. Narrow streets and hills can be challenging for small children, older adults, and those who don't like hilly terrains. Some parts of Alfama may have fewer modern facilities because the buildings are older. Limited transportation. Getting around Alfama can be challenging due to its maze of steep hills and narrow lanes, leading to fewer transportation options. The most convenient ways to explore this neighborhood are by walking or catching a renowned 28 tram that travels through Alfama. Keep in mind that tram 28 is famous and tends to be crowded, as both locals and tourists rely on it for commuting. Number 4 on our list is Alcântara. This area became famous for LX Factory attractions. What is an LX Factory? An LX factory is an old factory converted into stylish coffee shops, creating a cool and trendy atmosphere in the area. It's a small space, so a few hours are sufficient to explore the unique surroundings. Pros: modern upgrades. Alcântara is becoming more modern with specialty coffee shops and burger bars, enhancing lifestyle options. Not too many tourists. Tourists do not overrun Alcântara, so it's more peaceful place to visit. Cycling options. Although Alcântara lacks bike lanes, you can find them between Alcântara and Caís do Sotre. The bike path along the river to Belém is a fantastic way to stay active and enjoy the beautiful view. Some people ride their bikes from Lisbon downtown to LX Factory. Just remember that for LX Factory, you might need to take some roads and carry your bike on stairs near Alcântara Mar station, but it's short detour from the main bike path. Cons: distance from the city center. Alcântara is not right in the city center. It's approximately 4 kilometers from the center of Lisbon, and you'll need to take buses, trains, or taxis to get there and back. Rising prices. Accommodation prices in Alcântara are usually relatively high due to the country's trend, but you can still find a mid-range price. Number 5. Bairro Alto. Bars and nightlife. Bairro Alto, renowned as the drinking capital of Lisbon, offers a vibrant and lively nightlife scene with numerous bars and entertainment options. If you're into a nightlife, this place is for you. Pros: central location and close to the main attractions. Bairro Alto is centrally located in Lisbon, providing easy access to many main attractions. The neighborhood is well connected to nearby districts like Chiado. Cons: very touristy, not locally populated. Not ideal for families with children, the nightlife-focused atmosphere may not suit younger travelers.
In summary, we hope we have provided insights to help you to choose the right area in Lisbon for your needs. Based on our experience, we stayed in Alfama area and were pleased with our choice. If you find the information helpful in this video, please share it with others who will also benefit from it. Would you please subscribe to our channel, as it helps provide you with travel tips worldwide. I'm working on part 2, a 3-day Lisbon itinerary, which is coming next week. Thank you very much for watching, stay tuned, and I'll see you then. Bye!